Today we have a video from Body Cam Files, and the title of the video is Man Tries Bullying Firefighters, Doesn't End Well. God damn.
Hey there, sir. You okay?
I'm good, thanks.
You sure? Okay.
Let's come in the car. Let's go home.
Sir. So, well, you just hit a very large mailbox.
I did.
Yeah, you did. Okay. Who was in the car with you?
You want to drive?
Okay. Okay. You were in the car with him?
Yes.
Okay. You're not injured?
You're right?
You're not injured?
No, I'm not.
Mailbox and everything, huh?
Okay.
I
So
don't
he's
think
not
so.
feeling good? Does he need an ambulance?
I don't know. I'm trying to think.
Are you?
He blacked out. He blacked out. I don't know.
Is a doctor?
I don't know. See, do you need an ambulance?
Driver passed out. He's awake and talking now, though. All right, sir.
She's still trying.
You didn't black out at all? Okay. Well, I'm still gonna have an ambulance come and just check on you.
Yeah.
All right, but we gotta get this straightened out with as far as like the crash goes.
Sorry, right?
Well, after we're done here, because you crashed into a mailbox.
You do.
Okay. Do you have your driver's license and?
I do.
Okay.
This guy is blacked out drunk.
Do you have your driver's license with you?
Yes. Yep. Why?
Is his name Steven?
Yeah, I think so.
His name? Your husband's name?
He's not my husband.
It's not your husband?
No,
Okay. Who is he to you?
my boyfriend,
Oh, okay. What's your boyfriend's name?
Steve.
Steve? Okay.
No.
Okay. You guys live together?
Yep.
Okay. So Steve, what was going on? You got to talk to me a little bit. Your girlfriend here says that you blacked out. Do you have any medical issues?
I do. I'm homosexual.
Okay. Well,
Yeah,
I'm asking about medical issues.
well, so, I mean, can you take us?
Wait, what? What did he say? Nah, hold on. I know he didn't say what I think he said. Hold on, I gotta turn captions on. That's what I thought he said. Yep, that's what I thought he said. That's exactly what I thought he said. Okay, all right. I know I wasn't tripping. It's hard to hear, but I'm like, wait, hold on, what?
I do. I'm homosexual.
Okay. Well, I'm asking about medical issues.
Well, so, I mean, can you take us home?
Well, we'll probably be able to do that, but
Do you know Shane Garen by chance?
I have no idea who that is.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. So, where are you going to? Are you going home?
I'm gonna go to his house.
Okay, you're
Yeah.
going to his house. Okay, where are you coming from?
I'm not sure where I'm coming from.
So you're just going to her house?
Yeah,
Okay.
I hate her. But I mean, I love her. Right? She's that. It's like it's so good, but it's like not
Okay. I hear it. Yeah. Yeah, I hear it.
good. No, I'm crying. Right over here.
Okay. Just hang tight for a minute. It's probably gonna be 55.
That's what I'm thinking too.
Yeah, because you smell like he's not making any sense to me. I don't know you hit it.
Yeah.
But,
You want him out of the car?
That's so funny.
watch your steps, sir. Just sit down.
We're in Orleans.
Sir, why don't you sit down?
We don't want you falling.
Oh, the car off.
We're gonna put you right in the back of the ambulance, all right? We're gonna have you have a seat in that ambulance.
There's no way I'm in the ambulance.
Well, you got to. There's no way I'm
Let them check you out.
We need to check you out real quick.
Don't touch me. I'm not going
Sir,
in the
We're gonna
ambulance.
shut your car off.
Steve,
I got it.
Steve, listen to me. Steve,
Seriously, in the ambulance?
Yeah.
Yeah, they just
It's either that or the back of a police car. Which one do you want?
they just got to check you out real quick, and then you can refuse to go to the
You don't have to go with us. We just need to check
Okay.
you out. That's a
I'm
significant
not going
impact.
anywhere.
That's
I'm
fine.
going-
Okay, you don't have.
we
They
gotta
just
check
want
you
to
out.
look at you. Like he said, you passed out. That's why I called them. I just want
Okay.
them to take a look at you. You can refuse to
Thanks,
go.
gentlemen.
We gotta check
Thank
your
you
blood
so
sugar,
much. Thanks.
heart.
No, don't check anything for me. I don't want it. I don't want it. Sorry. I love this girl, and I'll be fine.
Was she in the car too?
Yeah, sure.
Wow.
What's wow? Fuck you. Fuck
Hey,
you with that.
hey, hey! Watch
Relax.
your fucking attitude right now.
No, fuck you.
You're not gonna talk to my crew like that.
No,
You just
I'll
zip
talk-
it. Zip it.
You zip it.
Steve,
You zip it.
relax.
Fuck you.
Touch me and see what happens.
Relax, Steve.
You touch me, see what happens.
Steve,
How's that?
Yeah, lovely.
How's that? Fuck you.
Man,
Fuck you.
Steve, knock it off.
Don't talk to me like that.
They're trying to help you. Okay, I called them here to take a look at you.
stay right here. Stay right here.
Okay.
Steve, you got to talk to me. Okay?
Okay.
You hit a huge mailbox. Your car is pretty messed up. You're not telling me much here.
Okay.
What's going on? You said you got no medical issues. You've been drinking tonight? Because I can smell it on you. How much have you?
My question is why she. You could look at this guy and just hear. Just all you will have to do is hear maybe about 4 words out of him, 3-4 words, and you could tell that he is highly intoxicated. So my question would be is why would the passenger, which is his girlfriend, get in a car with a guy that's like that? Neither one of them have any brains to say, hey, let's call an Uber. No, neither one of them. She doesn't seem as intoxicated as he is, but I'm sure if he's been having some drinks, she's been having some drinks too. But no one is putting 2 and 2 together to, hey, let's call a Lyft, let's call an Uber, if they have kids or whatever, I don't know, hey, let's call one of our kids to come pick us up. Something along those lines versus getting in that car with this guy, this intoxicated. Like, he, knock, knock, nobody is home.
You had to drink tonight?
Nothing.
Nothing at all?
See, remember what I said a couple videos ago? If you new here, you don't know, but from my followers and stuff, I said when they ask them these questions, it's either going to be 0 or 2. That's it. That's it. How much did he have to drink? Oh, nothing.
And you got no medical issues?
None.
No?
You gotta allow me to check you out, sir. You're slurring your words. You have an unstable gait. It's not
You know
making
what?
sense
Stop
to
it.
us.
Stop
I'm one
it.
of the
I don't. You know.
paramedics.
You know.
He's just trying to
Stop
help
it. Stop it. I know you. I know.
Yeah, I'm
No.
not about to let you be driving and hurting other people. That's not gonna happen. Not on our watch. I see how the way you are right now. Can you at least let me check you out? Check your blood pressure. Check your blood sugar. If that's okay, then what you need to talk to is the officer,
You're not
me.
touching nothing on me ever. You just never will. I don't care. Okay, so.
What's your name?
God.
What's your name, sir?
Wow.
Can you tell me how old you are?
Can you just answer a few questions for them? And maybe they'll leave you alone?
Where are you at right now?
Mom, where's my girlfriend?
She's getting checked out, like she's supposed to.
What a fucked up situation. Mom. Mom. Okay.
You want to go get checked out?
They're not going to drive you to the hospital if you don't want.
Listen, thank you guys. Thank you. So said put my car somewhere like closer or something, you know.
What?
What'd you say?
So put my car closer or something.
Put your car closer to what? Your car is on a mailbox right now.
I know.
Well, we're not going to let you drive right now.
I know you're not.
Okay, Steve. Are you willing to do some field tests?
I want to see my girlfriend.
Okay, maybe after she's done. She's getting checked out by the fire department.
I want to see her.
All right, well, it's not up for negotiation. Are you willing to do some field tests?
No.
No? Okay. Well, in that case, you're under arrest for driving under the influence.
Okay.
Go and take a seat.
Oh, I can't fall.
Stephen was issued a citation for failure to reduce speed and 2 misdemeanors, one for driving under the influence of alcohol and the other for transporting alcohol illegally. At this time, court details are unknown. Subscribe to see more.
And DUI is a misdemeanor? I never knew that. I never knew that. You would think something like that would be a felony, right? But whatever. Yeah. This guy, man. Nobody thought, hey, let's take a Uber. Hey, let's take a Lyft. In bigger cities, taxis are still there, you know? You can still grab an old school taxi, you know? There's still taxi companies out there. You know, I don't know about the smaller towns, but the bigger cities, you know, yeah. Or have someone pick you up, man. Damn. No one thought to do that. If you would like to support the channel, make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. Also, hype the video. YouTube has a new feature where you can hype the video. Helps it gets pushed out into the algorithm. Those are all free things to do. If you're looking for some paid options, you can also send a super thanks, super sticker, or look in the description for our YouTube membership and our Patreon link. And I'll catch you in the next video. Thank you. Your support is greatly appreciated.